This is day 11 of building apps to $10,000 a month in revenue. And today we're going to be A/B testing some different price points for Snuggly. What Snuggly is my interior design app, and it allows you to take a photo of your space and completely transform it. It allows you to pick the different styles that you want, mix and match them, and then it generates an image giving you an idea of how you can design your room, as well as where to buy the stuff in the generated image. So, being the use case it is, users are going to download it for a week to just generate one room, or have it for a long term to do a big renovation project and get ideas for their whole house. So what I've currently done, I've got a weekly and a yearly option for the paywall. And the weekly is at a higher premium because if they're going to generate lots of images in a week, it's going to cost me money with the OpenAI API. But if they buy yearly, they get a big discount on the weekly subscription so they can come back to it later for bigger renovation projects. And that all sounds good, but it's not been converting very well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a new paywall with a monthly subscription and A/B test it, which means some users are going to see the weekly and the yearly paywall, and some users are going to see the monthly and the yearly paywall, and we can track in Revenue Cat which one is going to get higher conversion rates, and then we can switch over to that one knowing it works. And the thought process behind this is, if they are only downloading it for a week, they can pay a higher premium for just using it for the week. But also, if we have it as a monthly, we can slightly increase that premium, but they're getting it for a whole month for that price. So the actual monthly price will be lower, but we'll get more money in the bank straight away to guarantee that we get that money for a month, because there is obviously the risk that they only buy it for the week and they have it only for a week, and then you do lose out on the extra money you would get for them paying for the month. Hope that all makes sense. This is how we do it. So in App Store Connect, we've created the monthly product. We can then automatically import that product into Revenue Cat. We then need to attach the entitlement to that new product. So we then needed to create a new offering to attach to a paywall. And to make it as fair as possible, I'm just going to use the exact same paywall. The reason I'm doing this is because you actually want to pinpoint what's going to be changing the revenue. If you change too many things at once and the revenue skyrockets, you're not going to know what changed it. It's a good problem to have, but then in the future, you won't know exactly what you did that made the change. And now the paywall's been duplicated, you just attach the new offering. So now we've changed everything to monthly. This is monthly, this is a month. But now we can do a new experiment, and this is our A/B test. So we're going to run a price point experiment, and then we've got our default, which we've been using, and our yearly and monthly paywall. Now I can just press start experiment, and that's going to be live. We've still got one user in trial. We've gained a subscription. One of them from yesterday converted, and we're on $439 a month. I'll see you tomorrow.